Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will going to discuss about the concept of relative velocity. Now what do you mean by the word relative? Relative means with respect to something or some frame of reference. Let's go into the topic. Suppose a particle is moving with velocity u in this direction and another particle is moving with velocity v in this direction. Now if you are asked what is the velocity of the particle v with respect to u, well, the answer is relative velocity we denoted by w, v minus u. Now how do we get that? The concept is when you are asked about calculate the relative velocity of something with respect to another particle, you will always write the velocity v minus the velocity of that particle which you are asked to calculate with relative to that. Okay. Now how? If you are asked that calculate the velocity of this particle which is moving with v with respect to this particle, you just take the vector u in the negative direction, that is minus u, because we wanted to calculate the velocity of v with respect to u. So we need a minus sign, that is take v in minus u. Take u as minus u. So by the vector law, the resultant vector w is v minus u. Okay. Now what do you mean by v minus u? If you calculate the magnitude of this by a formula, suppose v and u vector is having an angle alpha, then the resultant vector w, as is given by v minus u, it can be written by the vector's triangle rule, which is w square equal to v square minus v square plus of u square minus of 2vu cos of alpha. So w is given by root over of v square plus u square minus 2vu cos of. Now if two vectors are perpendicular to each other, that is the angle between v and u is 90 degree. So in this formula you will get w equal to v square plus of u square, that is w equal to root over v square plus u square, as cos alpha is here cos 90 degree, which is equals to 0. Now what is the angle of the resultant vector, or what is the direction of the resultant vector, we are going to discuss in some specific problem which might help you. In 11th standard physics you are asked that it is raining vertically downward and a cyclist moving in this direction with a velocity say 3 km per hour, and rain is falling downward with 4 km per hour. This is just numerical value, have no. Okay, so this vector is downward and this vector is in this direction. Suppose this is u vector and this is v vector. Now if you are asked what is the velocity of rain or relative velocity of rain with respect to, suppose, to this observer, the answer is w equal to v minus u, and you can calculate by this formula, as the angle between this is 90 degree. But let us picturize it. As you are asked to calculate the velocity of v, this is v with respect to u, then you must take the minus of u, because it is asked with respect to u, so you will take minus of u, and this vector is v. So we know that the resultant vector will be somewhere at this level, which can be determined in the parallelogram law. Okay, so this is W. Let this point be O. This is suppose A. Suppose this is B. Here OB magnitude equal to 3 km per hour, which is U, and AB is equal to magnitude of V, which is 4 km per hour. Now from this OAB triangle, if you apply Pythagoras' law, then you will always find OA square equal to AB square plus OB square. OA is here our W, OA is our V, and this is our U. We are just taking the magnitude, not the direction. So W square equal to V square plus of U square, W equal to root over of V square plus U square. As here V is 4, so 4 square, and U is 3 square kilometer per hour. So you get 5 km per hour. So this observer will see the rain falling in this direction, that is from this direction. So if he is this point, rain will drop along this direction. You can also find the angle by giving it a name theta. So from this triangle, let us put a name point C. From triangle OAC, you get tan of theta equal to AC divided by OC. Now AC is our U, so U is 3, and OC is our V, which is 4. So you can get theta is equal to tan inverse of 3 by 4. So you have got the velocity of the rain with respect to the observer and as well as its direction. That is, it is some angle with tan inverse 3 by 4 with a vertical line. So that's all set for today. We'll meet in another video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel to get more videos about some elementary basics physics, or what topic you want to listen. Please write in the comment section below. I will try to discuss it later. Thank you.